Okay, good morning again. This is part two of reference list that I've just finished the part one, and we're gonna build now on what we have already talked about the reference of a journal article. So this is how it should look like doing a reference or making a reference of an article from any journal. So as I said, first one we have to similar to the other one, we have to indicate the author, surname, comma, then his initial, first letter, and the publication year. Okay, then we will have the journal article. No, sorry, not the journal article, the article title, and it should not be italic. This one is normal. This is all the journal, the article title. We only put it. Most importantly, now that we have to make after the full stop the name of the journal, and this name should be italic, ma'il, as I told you. Okay, something else. So once the journal article is the journal name is mentioned, you have to have the information. This information. There are three important information here. Okay, just make them big so you can look at them. Okay, 11 is the number of the volume. Okay, so 11 is the volume اللي هو رقم المجلة. Okay, in bracket this is the issue رقم العدد. Okay, and these are the bakes. Is this clear? So these are the main information. Now I'll give you one example from my own just to elaborate it. Here's another example. Okay, author name, for example, Al-Saadi, comma, Said, open bracket, 2010, close the bracket, put full stop, then make the title of the article, writing difficulties. Okay, once you make you wrote the title, for example, this is the title of the article, full stop, then give the journal name. For example, its name is system. It should be italic. System. After that, a comma. Then give the issue, the volume number. For example, it's volume number 7. Issue number 2, comma, from page 10 to 19. That's it. Okay, this is an example of journal. Now the last case we have is the website. Okay, the final scenario we have for today is the website. It's very simple when it comes to website. What we have to do is, again, it's similar to the first part, are similar, only after the title. We have to have the name, author name, and the publication year. Then the title of the research, and this is the title where it's supposed to be, what do you call it? It's supposed to be italic, so this is the title. Now, be careful now. What's new is that after the title, you have to put full stop and you write retrieved from, and then put the complete URL. Okay, complete address, website address. It's easy. Where to get this complete address? You can go here at the top. It's at the top, for example, here. Okay, so that is where you can get it, and it's not difficult. So this is an example, an easy example of how to do the website. Website, again, what you have to indicate. Once you indicated the year, the publisher, If it is not a person, then it's an agency. For example, here Sultan Qaboos University. Sorry, Sultan Qaboos University. Then the publication year. Okay, publication year, and then this is the title, and here see retrieve from this is you write the retrieve from, and then add your add the website address, which start with HTTP, this one. Okay, and you can just copy paste from the website at the top and paste it down. So these are the mainly three scenarios we discussed today: author of a book, journal article, and a website. Now, along with this, I have sent you some worksheet with some examples. Read these examples and try to make the reference. For example, and here you have an author, and then you have a page number, article, year, page number. So it's a book. So it's a journal. Sorry. How to make a journal? You just go and read these conditions and try to solve them. It's very interesting and you'll like it. So this is the final exam. Actually, this is the final workshop or final session we have about our course, writing your research. I wish you have got it. And when it comes to references, there are so many different scenarios. I'm just giving you a very basic concept of it, and I wish you all the best. Thanks for your attentive listening. I wish that now you have a clear picture about research, from deciding your topic to writing the reference list. Please work hard, try to do your research, and put in mind all the concepts we have talked about. Don't hesitate to get me in this email. I'll be more than happy to help you. I wish you all the best. See you soon. Bye-bye.